Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Java JDK 26 on Ubuntu Linux. Open web browser. I am using Mozilla Firefox. You can use any web browser. Go to Google search engine. Go to Google search. Type download Java JDK. Press enter. Click on first link, Java download. Scroll down. JDK 26. Select Linux. For Ubuntu Linux, download x64 Debian package. Click on download link. Now the downloading is started. It is 181 megabytes setup file. Now Java JDK 26 setup is downloaded. Close web browser. Go to Files. Click Downloads. Here it is our JDK 26 setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open with Software Install. Loading Applications Details. Click Install. Authentication required. Put Rohit password. Click Authenticate. Now JDK 26 is installed. Installed size is 189.6 megabytes. Close installer. Close downloads. After JDK 26 installation, now let us verify the Java version. Right-click on Desktop. Select Open in Terminal. Type Java version. Press Enter. As you can see the Java version. JDK 26. This means we have successfully installed Java JDK 26 on Ubuntu Linux. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.